Welcome. So, this is the conversation we had for this day, Wednesday, Warnings Day. Hey Ronit, are you here? Be active or you will be removed. Inactive members are removed each 8 days. Kata Zen, I thought there's a Q sound there. Only Ain sound. Sayangnya, kita sedang tidak memiliki teman penutur asli bahasa Arab ya di sini sekarang. What's that sound by the way? But it's still Arabic, right? The sound goes like this. Ain, 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 Ain. The word is ta'aruf. It's not Q, it's not qi, no, not off, alright? Yeah, and yeah, it's Arabic. Oh, yeah, got it. It's Arabic. That's why I make it italic. It's not Indonesian term, and that's the most difficult one to sound. Actually, you know what? The ain is easier than how to differentiate the and the sound. Oh my god, Tohir ketawa dia. Yeah, I remember there are about 3 or 4 letters that's difficult for me to pronounce, including of, right? You didn't teach me that. The most difficult of all, the guttural sound at the back of the throat makes me cough. Udahlah, ngapain sih kita bahas huruf hijaiyah di grup bahasa Indonesia? You used it in listening practice. Sudah kubilang, materi latihan mendengarkan itu kuambil dari novel pertamaku. Yeah, I know, so it's okay to discuss hijaiyah here. Baiklah, kalau kamu mau. Padahal kita punya grup bahasa Arab juga loh. I don't understand anything there. Same. And that is the end of the conversation we had for these days. So, see you tomorrow, guys.